Get ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level because in this video I am revealing how to boost your YouTube SEO in 2025. That's right, my friends. We're diving deep into the latest strategies and tactics that will help you rank higher in search results, attract more viewers, and ultimately crush it on YouTube. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to learn all the ins and outs of YouTube SEO. You won't want to miss this. As a leading expert in the field, I've got the inside scoop on what works and what doesn't when it comes to YouTube SEO. And let me tell you, things are changing rapidly on YouTube. What worked last year may not work this year. So it's time to learn the latest and greatest. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let me introduce myself. As an award-winning digital marketing expert with a degree in digital media arts and a minor in marketing, I've got the education and experience to back up my title. I've worked with some of the biggest names in the industry, including Google and Samsung, and have been featured in Forbes, Search Engine Journal, and Business Insider. So you know you're in good hands. Now let's talk about YouTube SEO. The first step is conducting thorough keyword research. This is the foundation of your SEO strategy, and it is crucial to understand how people are searching for content like yours. Use tools like Vidiq, TubeBuddy, and Ahrefs to identify keywords with high search volume and low competition. Remember, the goal is to find the perfect balance between popularity and attainability. You want to target keywords that have a lot of search interest but aren't so competitive that you'll never be able to rank for them. Once you've brainstormed a list of potential keywords, use tools like Google Trends, Ubersuggest, and Moz Keyword Explorer to analyze search volume, seasonality, and trends. This will help you narrow down your options and focus on keywords that are relevant and timely. Don't forget to consider long-tail keywords, which are longer and more specific phrases that can help you target a niche audience. By conducting thorough keyword research, you'll be able to optimize your content for the right keywords and reach the right audience on YouTube. Next up is optimizing your titles and thumbnails. Your title and thumbnail are the most important factors in attracting viewers to your videos. They're the first impression people will have of your content, and it's crucial to make them count. Use your target keyword in your title and thumbnail to help people and search engines understand what your video is about. But don't just stuff keywords in there for the sake of it. Make sure they fit naturally and accurately reflect your content. Use tools like Vidiq and TubeBuddy to ensure you're using the right keywords and phrases. And don't forget about the importance of clickbait. You want to create a sense of curiosity or excitement in your title and thumbnail to encourage people to click and watch your video. Use power words and phrases that evoke emotion or a sense of urgency to help you stand out from the crowd. Just remember to be honest and accurate in your clickbait. Don't try to mislead people or set false expectations. If you optimize your titles and thumbnails correctly, you'll be able to attract more viewers and increase your click-through rate. And speaking of clicks, let's move on to our third step, optimizing your metadata. Your metadata is the behind-the-scenes information that helps search engines understand your video content. It may not be visible to viewers, but it's still a crucial part of your SEO strategy. Start by creating a detailed description for your video that includes your target keyword. This should be a comprehensive summary of your video content that helps people and search engines understand what your video is about. But don't stop there. Add relevant keywords and phrases to your description that are related to your video topic. This will help expand your reach and help people find your video through related searches. Use the description to answer frequently asked questions about your topic. This will help establish your video as a valuable resource and increase your click-through rate. And don't forget about closed captions. Adding captions to your video not only helps people who are deaf or hard of hearing, but it also helps search engines understand your video content. Closed captions allow search engines to read the dialogue in your video and index it in their search results. So make sure to add accurate and detailed captions to your videos. By optimizing your metadata, you'll be able to help search engines better understand your video content and rank it higher in search results. Now let's talk about something that's near and dear to my heart, optimizing your content. Creating high-quality, engaging content is essential to your SEO strategy. It's not enough to just stuff keywords into your title and description. You need to create content that people actually want to watch and share. So how do you do that? Well, let's start with the basics. Create content that is relevant, informative, and engaging. This means creating content that provides value to your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Use your target keyword throughout your video, but don't go overboard. You want to use it naturally and accurately reflect your content. Use high-quality visuals and graphics to keep viewers engaged. This could include B-roll footage, graphics, animations, or even memes. Just make sure they're relevant and add value to your content. And don't forget about the power of storytelling. People love stories. So use storytelling techniques to connect with your audience and make your content more memorable. Share personal anecdotes, case studies, or even hypothetical situations to help your audience relate to your content. By optimizing your content, you'll be able to create a better viewing experience for your audience and improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Finally, let's talk about promoting your content. Getting your content out there and promoting it is crucial to your SEO strategy. No matter how well you optimize your content, if nobody sees it, it's not going to do much for your channel. So how do you promote your content? Well, let's start with social media. Promote your content across social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Share snippets of your video on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, and encourage people to check out your full video on YouTube. Engage with influencers in your niche and ask them to share your content with their followers. This could result in a shout-out in a podcast, mention in a blog post, or even a tweet from an influencer with a large following. Run targeted ad campaigns on social media platforms to reach a specific audience. This could be a great way to promote your content to people who are interested in your niche but may not have found your channel otherwise. By promoting your content, you'll be able to reach a wider audience, generate more views, and increase your chances of ranking higher in search results. There you have it, folks. The 5 essential steps to boosting your YouTube SEO in 2025. From conducting thorough keyword research to optimizing your metadata and promoting your content, these steps will help you take your channel to the next level. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is to create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. So don't forget to optimize your titles and thumbnails, create detailed descriptions and closed captions, and use relevant keywords throughout your content. But our journey together is not over yet. I want to see you crush it on YouTube. So if you're ready to take your YouTube SEO to the next level, so what are you waiting for? Click the link below and sign up today. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching and happy crushing.